She don't fuck with you cause she don't fuck with bitch niggas, and you know it ain't a hidden love.
Scanny ass bitch there.
Hey, before the video start, look, I need all y'all to go to motherfucking Amazon.com, and I need y'all to type in LV Skinny Ass or Gas. You're gonna find some ass or gas shirts, you know what I'm saying? This is my first, these are my first actual shirts online. I'm about to have hella different clothes and shit, you know what I'm saying? So, if you support a nigga and, you know what I'm saying, all the shit I'm trying to accomplish, support a nigga then. But yeah, let's get into the video. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, LV Skinny.
Boy, Cal.
This is boy, motherfucking young cheetah in this bitch.
This is boy Leafy, man.
And today, we is here to check out top 10 most amazing animal attacks compilation. Incredible footage.
Why does cheetah look like it's about to fuck some shit up already, though?
For real, though. And that's a beautiful animal right there.
No, it definitely is, definitely. How fast can it run? Like 55 miles per hour or some shit?
No,
like
nigga,
that?
60.
60 for real?
I thought it was faster than that, for real.
Nah.
They could. I think they can get up to like 65.
What's the fastest one? The
65.
panther?
No, nigga, the cheetah's the fastest mammal on Earth.
For real?
Yeah. It's the fastest mammal on Earth. Yeah.
For real.
I swear something can go faster than 60 miles.
Nigga,
But
what
that's-
else?
that's
I swear something was going 80 miles per hour.
A
That's
mammal.
tiger.
I don't think it's a cheetah either.
That's a tiger right there.
A mammal?
That's a tiger?
Yeah.
A tiger is not faster than a cheetah.
Hold on. Is that a tiger, though?
That's a cheetah.
Hold on.
Nigga, what? A tiger has stripes.
Hold on.
That's cheetah
Oh
print.
yeah, tiger do got stripes.
Alright,
I talk about some this.
Y'all niggas tripping.
What?
Man, start the video, man.
What?
Talking about
Niggas is tweaking.
but we in this bed, man.
Y'all
We in this
niggas
bed.
Man, what y'all do? Hold on. It's the eagle. Oh, look.
No, that's a hawk.
Nigga, no, fuck what you talk about, nigga. That's an eagle.
Alright, that's a lion, nigga.
That's a lion. That's
Alright, I'm
a wolf.
gonna keep it real. We don't know what exactly these animals
Nigga,
are.
I know.
I done heard all this wrong shit.
I know
Listen,
my
though.
animal.
Real nigga talk,
I
though.
know.
Real nigga talk, though. That shit ain't the fastest mammal. The fastest mammal.
What's the fastest mammal?
Goddamn bald eagle, 200 miles per hour.
No, that don't count.
An
That's
eagle is
flying.
not a mammal. That's a
On land.
bird.
On
What?
land. Land.
Birds are
Land.
fucking mammals
It's
too.
a falcon, y'all, not a fucking...
A bird's a mammal.
But it's a
Nah,
bird.
not even on no dumb
My
shit. A
nigga,
bird's a
my
mammal.
nigga,
Yeah, it's a lot of dumb shit that's
I
been
can't
said
really
already.
be talking. I didn't really go to school. I know my goddamn animals, my nigga. You
But
can't
still.
sit here and tell me you don't.
But you can't
A
classify
bird
this
is
bird
a
against
mammal.
a cheetah because one
Hey,
fly.
goddamn it, he said mammals.
I'm
That's
talking
okay.
about
Alright.
mammals.
Animal.
I'm not talking. I mean, the fastest animal, like animals, can be considered anything, like flying, running, anything. I'm pretty sure, like
Yeah.
anything.
But we
Animal.
talking about like niggas on.
Are they?
And like a
Niggas
mammal,
beating
right?
their
Like a
feet,
mammal.
A mammal.
mammal.
So who the fastest beating their feet?
Here,
A
I'm-
cheetah?
I would say a cheetah.
A cheetah.
Yeah, look up who the
On
fastest
land.
beating their feet.
On land. Land.
But we're finna find something.
A
Yo,
cheetah.
for real, that wolf right there, that motherfucker that's a beautiful animal too.
Yeah.
That nigga look
All
like he-
dogs
he like
originate
this
from wolves. If y'all
cheetah.
didn't know that.
Hey, my nigga, the
Professor.
cheetah goes 71 miles per hour.
71?
Balling, nigga.
Damn. Imagine trying to run from that motherfucker.
Nigga, imagine like.
Imagine.
You just see that motherfucker just you already a mile away or something. That motherfucker just chasing
Like,
you
he's
down,
just
nigga.
watching you run that mile too. He's like, man, I'm about to
Yo,
catch up
all
to you
right,
easily.
we ain't even got into none of the attacks we doing. All right, let's just get into
We just
it.
giving y'all like sights right now.
Niggas didn't understand.
What's that? God, what?
It's a caracal versus a guinea fowl.
A guinea fowl. What's a guinea? Oh, I guess
I'ma
that's
keep
right
it
there.
real.
A guinea fowl.
I don't know what either one of these animals is.
Caracal. I don't either. It's a cat.
Oh, yo, that nigga scary.
It look like a bobcat.
That nigga look, he about to fuck that nigga.
That is about.
Oh!
Nigga, run that back one more time. Did you see how high that
And
nigga's
he's feasting-
vertical was?
He's feasting on it.
Did you see how high that nigga's vertical
That nigga got
was?
the bird flu. Yo, that nigga tripping.
Look.
That nigga tried to think she was sweet. Nope, nigga. Nope, nigga. That nigga's vertical. Ripping his wings off, nigga.
That nigga like, damn.
Oh, baby, about to get fucked up.
Eagle versus All right,
A mountain goat.
who y'all got on this?
Fuck
Eagle.
That eagle.
Eagle.
That eagle taking
An
it,
eagle.
taking it back
An
to the
eagle.
nest, boy.
An eagle.
A
Nigga, I
goat,
got $5
though?
right
Maybe
now.
a baby.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
look like a
$5
baby.
right
Look
now.
at
You
him.
got $5 right now.
Yeah, he taking
I don't
that,
know if I
boy.
got a 5 in my
I got
pocket.
$5 right
I don't know if
now.
I got a
The
5.
fucking Eagle
I got a
takes it.
10. Man, all right, we ain't gonna battle nigga.
Man, just
but
go.
Hey.
but
I got the fucking.
I'm gonna go with the motherfucking goat, cause it's on the ground. That nigga can bite it and take it
Man,
down.
Eagle about to pick this nigga up by his fucking
It's
jump.
a fucking
goat?
bald eagle, nigga.
A goat?
A bald eagle, nigga.
A goat.
You know how
eagle.
big a bald eagle is.
You know how big a goat is.
That's a baby though. Look at the horns on that jump.
Yeah, exactly. It's not even a full
So
grown
it's,
goat.
it's smaller.
Uh-huh.
It might take it, bro.
But a mountain goat.
You about to take
Oh,
the
I
pad.
don't know nothing about no mountain.
You about to take the pad out that nigga. Look. Look at that. Nigga running,
All right, yeah,
running.
he might take one of them out,
Fucking running.
cause he on the prowl.
They know.
They like, oh hell no, that nigga tripping.
He fucking coming.
You see how big that nigga is?
Yeah.
That wingspan,
Yeah, look
nigga.
at his feet.
Oh, yo, that nigga big as shit.
Bad, man. Damn. So, he dropped him. He gonna drag him in.
Oh fuck,
Big
fuck.
knock him out.
Knock him out and then
no.
pick him up.
That's
That's-
not even a valid fight.
It's
Hey,
not,
I ain't even gonna eat your
but
nigga.
for
You saw
real,
how he man
that's some smart shit.
But that was
Did
some.
that to kill him
And then he's gonna fly back down and eat him.
And
He
eat
would
him,
eventually
bro.
killed him.
That's some smart
Violently.
shit, cause you know what I'm saying. You can't
But
fight
I'm
him right
afraid-
there. So just
that's
pull that
cheating.
nigga down. He gonna fall to his death.
Run that back one more
fucking
time.
cheating.
That's crazy. An eagle,
Drag that
dude.
nigga. That's cheating.
I'm fucking with an
Low-key,
eagle.
that is cheating.
I'm fucking with an eagle, dude. You see how big that nigga is, dude?
He's out, and its wings is so fucking big.
Huge, nigga.
Grab that nigga by his foot.
Yeah, like come here, nigga.
And just drop that nigga.
Boom, that cracked him already, and then just
That
let
put him
him.
out. You see,
Yeah, he was
asleep.
unconscious.
Yeah, he was asleep. Look, he checked.
Damn.
Man, that's a savage kill right there.
Sad.
And going in for the
He's gonna eat
kill.
on him right there. Take what he
Fuck,
wants.
man.
That's tough.
That is a tough way to die. Pause that. I just gotta say,
Oh,
Mother
shit.
Nature. No, I just gotta say one more thing.
This is what I've been waiting for.
that
Yeah,
a
yeah,
fantasy?
yeah.
Who?
Mongoose. I think that's a mongoose.
I think that is. Who y'all
Hey,
got on this?
Mongoose.
If that's
Mongoose.
a mongoose.
It's a
then the
mongoose.
Mongoose gonna fuck
Yeah,
you
okay,
up.
I got a
okay,
mongoose.
okay.
I ain't stupid.
But
I know
look,
the
I just gotta
mongoose
say,
fuck
y'all think right now, like just the shit that's going on right now in the world, like humans is fucked up.
going crazy.
Nature really
Yeah.
is really like it's every man for himself in nature,
Like,
bro.
like, you
Like that's
think-
really the way
You
of the
think
world.
about how
dude.
people be
Like-
dying like every minute of the world. Just imagine nature where niggas
like
really out there outside.
it's no laws. It's really like every man for himself. It's no police. It's no
Yeah, no-
911.
for
No
real, though.
calling. Like no backup. No nothing. You really fighting for yourself,
Yeah,
nigga.
nigga, what y'all niggas gonna do?
Like-
Butt naked with a motherfucking rattlesnake in your ass, nigga.
Yo, I might be able to take on. I was looking up a lot of snake
Nigga,
deaths.
you-
I might
my
be able
nigga-
to be able to take on a
my
snake.
nigga.
But you want to
I
know
might
that?
be
But
able
you
to.
want to know what's crazy about
Real
nature?
I
talk.
might
though?
be able to.
Real talk.
Fuck that.
Look, this how I know it won't go because you could be fighting off that snake, and next thing you know, you got a fucking spider on you.
Why would the spider be on me? No, it's just me and the snake. I'm butt naked, remember?
Nah.
Why would the
Why
spider
would-
be there?
Nigga, cause
You gotta
you
watch your
butt naked.
surroundings.
My nigga, you not about to be.
No, if I'm with the snake, then it's
Nigga.
just me and the snake. We're putting the arena together.
You know
so
where
I'm
spiders
fighting the
be at?
snake.
You know
We
where
can't-
spiders be at?
Arena.
You know
Fuck
where
the,
spiders
fuck,
be
yeah,
at?
exactly. Fuck the
Okay.
spiders. We're in the arena together. We're
I
fighting.
thought you were still out.
So if it's right in
It's
front of me,
nature. It's
I'm
nature.
telling you, I hit him with the.
There's
snake
no
is
arena
going
in nature.
Look right here. He
There's
gonna-
no
the
arena in
snake gonna be like,
nature.
oh, I'm gonna get your hand, and I'm
This
like,
nigga said it's an arena.
and then I'm gonna wrap around him,
Y'all let
swing
me
him
know.
around. Yo,
Y'all let me know where there's an
Don't-
arena set up
don't-
in nature. Y'all let me know.
I'm gonna bring the snake to the arena to fight me.
Like some WWE shit.
Yes, me against the cobra.
Alright.
Cobra too, nigga?
A
Now,
rattlesnake, an anaconda, whoever wants it.
Any kind of snake.
Whoever wants it. I want them all.
Anaconda.
Oh, yo, what if I get bit next week
I
or
want them
something?
all.
Fuck.
They
But
gonna find your ass.
All I'm saying is nature is wild because you would think that, like, for instance, a mongoose would eat a snake, but then you gotta think something bigger, like something bigger would eat a mongoose, and then something bigger would
Like
eat that,
Yeah.
and then something bigger would, like, it's just an
and then
ongoing
somehow the
chain,
shit gets
dude.
into the ocean, and then a whale eats it somehow.
Yeah.
Like, it's
Wait,
outrageous.
a whale?
Yeah,
Everything goes to the ocean, is that what you're saying?
basically. Because
Really?
somehow an animal gets near the water, they'll
Really?
be trying to be drank. And,
Really?
then they'll get brought in. They
I
may
don't know
drown.
about that,
They may
guys.
drown by something else.
That,
Once they
I
get to
don't
the
know what
bottom.
he's talking about.
No, listen, once they get to the bottom, well, that's when all the bottom feeders get to eat. That's why the name is bottom feeders. They feed off the bottom. So yeah, let's get into this.
Pause that. Pause that.
It's the mongoose versus the cobra, bro.
How'd they, I already knew that, but how did they get to the bottom?
Bro, I said like once they get near the water, that's where they drink from because
Ooh.
they don't have
Ooh.
actual water bottles.
Ooh.
Any animal. So once they get near there may be an alligator, there may be something that drags them in. That animal may not
So
eat that
alligator in
animal.
the ocean.
Alligator's
They
never
could.
in the ocean. Where do you
Okay,
find the alligator in the ocean?
alright.
could.
My fault.
my
My
nigga,
fault.
do you
My
even
fault.
hear?
My
Do
fault.
you even hear
My
this
fault.
shit?
My fault. I didn't mean to say the alligator. I meant to say a motherfucking something that may lure something into the water, and then it keeps it in
In the
there.
ocean.
And then
What is walking to an ocean that is wild?
the ocean shore. I'm not talking about just the middle of the ocean. I'm talking about right near it. So once they bring it in,
There's
and then-
no ocean. It's a lake, a river that leads to an ocean,
so
my nigga.
whatever it is, it's water. So it's going
Listen
to
up.
fight. If the dog or whatever gets near it and it doesn't beat the fight, and
Doubt
the
it.
shit, the main shit doesn't eat it, it's gonna get dragged and it might drop to the bottom
Its
and drown.
final death is probably
Whatever's
the
at the
lake.
bottom will feed on it. Is my
Smith Mountain
point.
Lake, probably. I don't
Mongoose
know.
versus cobra, bro.
Smith Mountain Lake, probably. I don't know.
Oh shit. Mongoose like, nigga, you see this shit? I'm about to fuck this nigga up.
Do you see the swiftness of that nigga? His tail and everything.
Oh, this looks like a Pokemon battle. Not gonna cap. I swear.
What is
Oh, he ain't grip him though. He ain't grip him.
Didn't. He missed.
He ain't want them problems, man.
So Cobra
Oh,
won.
no, he ain't. Oh, all right, maybe he
Cobra
did.
won.
That's bullshit.
The cobra,
He caught him later. He
bet
probably
he-
passed out somewhere later. He got
cheetah versus Impala. Impala.
The cheetah.
That was
Me too. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna
Why
lie.
they have an animal on the side?
I'm not-
That's the animal.
I never knew that. I never
Oh.
seen
You don't see that little emblem?
Oh.
It's like a buck. It's really not like a visual, but
So
if you
so
look
is he
hard
saying
enough-
like because Impalas are
Pause it.
fast, the
Pause
cars?
yeah, because
You
Impalas,
said pause it?
I missed part.
Oh.
Impalas be hitting it.
So it's already paused now.
You know what I'm talking about? Like they be bouncing and shit through the shit.
So the
I
car.
never knew.
Dude,
I'm
I'm
not
not
gonna ask
just
that.
put me on some shit because honestly, I got dap you up in there. I never knew that shit, honestly.
About the
Impala,
Impalas?
yes. As long as I've
makes
known
sense,
that
though.
shit, it does. It makes perfect sense. But like, wow,
This may
'cause
sound
the
weird, but
horns,
I
like,
feel like Impala meat would taste low key good. Impala is a good name. It sounds like
do you
it would be
hear
all
this?
right.
Y'all three here.
People eat deer jerky,
Am I
deer
tripping?
meat. Impala
Am I
might be
tripping
all
right
right.
now?
love deer meat.
That's what I'm saying.
Look at that
Impala
shit.
might be
I've
all
never
right.
had deer jerky. I had beef jerky.
If-
Crazy.
I've
if-
never had deer
If
jerky.
Impala,
Is
if
it- is
Impala's
it- is it
cool,
smacking like that for
let me
real?
know.
Without
Is this
I,
smacking like
I
that
would,
for
I would
real?
like to know
Yeah,
about the
real talk.
Impala.
For real?
But
Fed.
let's see about this fight. Let's see.
Kill the deer, my nigga.
Hold on, who is it?
Knew that.
Who's fighting again? It's the cheetah versus the Impala. So if the cheetah wins, we're gonna know the Impala meat is good.
Look. Y'all niggas think about to get smoked, my nigga.
That's an Impala?
Yeah.
Ew.
That nigga is.
It's not faster
Oh,
than
shit.
cheetah. 71 miles per hour, nigga. What?
Let me.
You see how fast that nigga is going? They is
Oh,
not.
he gonna catch one of them.
They like 35 max. 40, maybe.
He's like, oh my
This should have
god.
been a Chevy Cheetah instead of a fucking Impala.
For real though.
They ain't that fast.
Yo, that motherfucker
It's
balling.
booking, nigga.
Like if you look at the mountains in the back, that motherfucker balling.
Look, everybody like, damn, you see that nigga?
Do you see the foot, nigga? Like, it's jumping over itself.
And look at his face. It's just like, I'm gonna get you.
Like it's leaping, nigga. Like
nigga calm
really.
as hell, breathing regular.
Yeah. Oh,
It's like fuck. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god, Carol.
damn, he got it. He got it. He got him.
Damn.
Blow that tough shit.
Oh my. Owl versus who?
I got the owl off rip. I got
Snowy
the owl.
owl. What's a lemming?
I don't know, my
That's a
nigga.
rat.
But
A rat?
Nah, I'm just
real
playing.
talk. Real talk.
That little shit looks
That
small.
snowy owl looking fluffy.
That do sound like a small name though.
I think
A
it's
lemming?
No, maybe
Leming?
I'm tripping.
Lemmy.
I think that's a
Lemur.
lemur.
Lemmy.
Oh, I'm
Yeah, you might be thinking of a
I
lemur.
was thinking about Madagascar.
That's a lemur. That's a lemur. No, I don't know what a lemur is.
Honestly, I honestly feel like the owl's gonna win because do you see how
Do you see how
good it
determined
looks?
that nigga
Do you see how
is?
good it looks?
OVO shit, nigga.
I don't feel like that
What you
shit's
talk
getting-
about, nigga?
I don't see anything
O
killing that.
B O.
Hey.
He has Drake with him.
Yeah, nigga. The fuck?
Oh shit.
No,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
that's
he-
a rat.
yeah, he
That's
definitely
a rat. That's a rat.
It's a rat.
Yeah, it's some mouse
It
type
ain't-
shit.
it's a
It probably got a long
How?
ass
No,
tail.
pause that. How did you see what that rat was though? Like, it's in the snow. How the fuck that owl see
Nah,
that
it
nigga?
got-
it's a snow
Yo,
snow owl, I think.
So they can see through the snow, nigga.
Bruh.
My
Hold
nigga,
on,
that's
hold
their
on,
habitat.
hold on, hold on.
Nigga, what?
Hold on.
A snow owl can see
Hold
through
on.
the snow?
Listen, because I'm trying to get what he understand. I'm trying to understand too, because that shit look is kind of crazy.
No,
It's a snow
I
owl.
understand
Are
what
you
you're
trying
saying.
to
It's
say-
his habitat. So
are you trying to
if
say-
they're in the snow base, they're
Yeah,
naturally have a
they
lighter
know
color.
they know what's going on
And if
in
you
the
look at
snow.
that animal,
So
itself,
they can see through the snow.
No.
It's not about seeing through the snow, it's about seeing its hole and seeing where that thing
Talking
went.
about they
All
basically-
the way down through that hole.
Have
You
you-
can see through the tunnel route
Have you
and
not
shit.
seen owls? Have you not seen owls how they just sit there and
like in the snow, just
look at shit?
But
That
owls,
nigga
yeah,
was
that-
studying that nigga.
Yeah, owls have good, like,
That's what I'm saying.
Right, they
He
can
was
see.
he was
Ah.
studying them.
All right, I know owls, but I don't know owls. How good is their sight?
They I feel like they
Nigga,
got
you
some of
gotta
the best
understand
senses of birds.
This is snow owl.
yeah, that's what
I
we
know
do.
owls can turn their head and shit, but how good is their sight, like seeing
Bro,
directly?
Oh
See
no,
and
my
shit?
nigga, real
Don't
talk. I
sleep.
hit one, nigga, and
You
we
hit an
had to
owl
wait
before?
for like
You hit
an
an owl?
hour and a
Wait,
half.
what?
I was with some country niggas going to the bluff, my nigga, and we
You
hit
went
that
to the bluff?
motherfucker, and we had
Like
to
in
wait
a car?
Wait.
because
In
the
a
nigga
car?
was like we hit that nigga, and then we stopped, and the nigga was dead ass in the middle, just sitting there, and then we looked at the nigga eyes, and his eyes was like rolled in the back of his head.
Are you sure he
straight
was
gold.
dead?
No,
Gold?
look. It was straight. That's all you could see was like his eyes. His eyes look gold. And we was just like, yo, this.
I mean,
nigga
his
fucked
eyes
up.
was gold.
So we had to call the fucking
Animal patrol?
No, the
The
fucking.
people.
The,
I know who you talking about.
you know what I'm talking
the
about?
animals on the side of the
Yeah,
road.
The white
We
people.
was like, shit, what was we supposed to do? Back. We was like, what's we supposed to do? And that basically was like, shit, sit there and sit there for like 15 minutes and see what it do. That motherfucker like,
I would
nigga,
not have sit there.
no,
That's their
listen
job.
though, cause the 15 minutes came up, bro. As soon as that nigga like hit the 15-minute mark, yo, see that nigga. And that nigga took off, nigga. That
All
nigga
right,
gone.
all right.
nigga.
My whole thing about
Gone,
that.
nigga.
My whole thing about that is, what the fuck I'm gonna sit there for? If this is a bird in nature, it's gonna do what the fuck nature does, and it's gonna wake his ass up.
I was trying.
I can't sit here and save this bird.
I was trying to take it. At first, I
Owl.
was yeah,
You wanted to take an owl.
You
Yeah,
ain't
dude.
tripping.
That nigga would eat you in the car.
Exactly.
That nigga would freak the fuck
Yeah,
out.
he would try to take off in the car and be like,
How
oh
can he
shit.
eat? How can he eat if he was blind? I thought the nigga was blind. When we hit the shit
I
out that
wasn't
nigga.
blind.
No,
As soon as he woke up, nigga, he had his sight.
I
I
really
bet.
thought that nigga was blind. Like I thought that nigga was not finna make
I
it.
fuck with
he
owls,
can't
dude.
fly. That nigga need help. He need bird.
Medical assistance.
Yeah, like he need a real nigga like me to help that nigga out till he get back on his feet. So that's
I
why I
do
thought
fuck
that was
with
finna
owls.
happen. That's the
All
only reason why
right,
I'm
nah,
waiting.
look. Who do you think will win in the fight, eagle or owl?
The eagle.
Really?
Not to see what he did.
But-
Oh, all right, that
Shit.
eagle is like
Yeah,
way
eagles
bigger
are
than an
hard.
owl.
Owls is just birds. That's how I feel.
They just hit the
Yeah.
and they
They're
turn
like
around
the-
with their head.
They're like the king of the skies, I think.
For real, and honestly, I haven't seen an owl really attack anything big. And honestly, I haven't really seen anything big attack an owl. Like, I don't be seeing niggas attack
Me
owls.
either.
Cause I
I
mean,
wonder
shit.
who eats them. Somebody has to eat them.
For real though.
Owl?
And that's kind of sad. I'd be sad to see an owl getting eaten. Like, what the fuck?
You gonna help him?
No, but you're eating an owl. You're a sick fucker.
What does eat
Everything-
birds?
I don't know.
everything's been
What
Snakes.
does eat birds?
Snakes. Cause
I feel like
I'm pretty
snakes
sure
do eat
everything's
birds.
been ate.
It's
on
either
this
snakes,
earth.
but they got a fucking nigga. Real talk. I was trying to buy this spider,
Oh.
It was called a bird eater, my nigga.
Oh,
It's huge.
I don't
And my
fucking
nigga,
spot
real
it.
talk, this shit
Nope.
bigger than my hand, my nigga.
Nope.
It's bigger than my hand.
Nope,
That's on
nope,
everything.
nope,
Yo, that
nope.
shit was going fade.
Stop it. Keep going. Keep the video going. So I'm about to start itching.
Dude, shut
Keep
the
the video
fuck
going. Cause I'm about to start itching. About to start itching. Look, already, dude. This shit starting to itch my like.
That's what it was called, a bird.
What?
Chill.
Bird, my nigga.
yo, chill out with
That's what I'm
that.
saying. I'm starting to itch,
I'm about to
dude.
buy that shit so I can show y'all.
I'm starting to itch.
Yo,
Let's
if
just
this
watch it.
motherfucker grab him
Yo,
in the snow, he going crazy.
His eyes are really beautiful. What the fuck? That doesn't look real.
At all.
Pupils are yellow.
That's like crazy.
Drop down, bust that shit over.
Oh, he came through with the man. Come here.
Oh, he
That's
he-
how we seen him.
He was out in the open though.
he left.
Yeah, he was out in the
He's like,
open.
come
Pick
on
that nigga up.
to my
He
dungeon.
picked that nigga up with fluffy feet, son.
The feet
He
was
said-
fluffy
he
as
said,
hell.
You with a snowball, nigga.
I ain't gonna cap.
Look,
I
there
swear
go
I
young
swear I
Jimmy
seen
Neutron,
some.
nigga,
but-
go back to the line, nigga.
Hold on. My nigga, their face, it scares the shit out of me because honestly, it looks like a human's face. You cannot tell me those eyes and that mouth right there does not look like it could be a human's fucking face.
It can't.
Ew, it kind of does.
What? That looks like it would be a. Yeah, the motherfucking owl's crazy, but you know what I'm saying? Let's get on to the next album, you know what I'm saying?
Young two,
Lion, oh yeah,
the fucking lion. Yo, pause this shit. The lion is
Honestly-
about to fuck the
But
zebra.
look, this is
up.
sad
no.
because no.
Remember the zebra we saw?
Look. It's honestly sad because I mean I already know the outcome, but like I fuck with the zebras, dude.
Get fucked up, bro.
Yo, that
That's the
zebra.
outcome.
What? The lion?
I fuck with the zebra, dude.
My
Like,
nigga, ain't nobody
No, I
ever
think
known
he's
for
right,
a
though.
zebra to be hard.
No,
Yeah.
babe,
Hey.
you tripping.
Yeah, you.
Honestly-
zebras is like
honestly-
zebras do be going
I
hard.
ain't
What
never
does
heard
a
of the
zebra
zebra
kill?
killing.
Nah,
I ain't never heard
Ain't
of
no
the zebra
zebra
killing
give
shit.
me going
hard,
I ain't
you
never.
tripping.
I ain't never.
Them niggas eat grass.
Is a zebra finna fight?
Yeah, it's a
Alright,
zebra
Yeah,
versus
zebra
a
versus a
lion.
How you
lion.
think they got their
It's-
stripes?
Not versus a lion. Not versus a lion, though.
Look at that nigga.
Hey, it don't matter.
On the fucking
It don't
prowl,
matter
nigga.
what it
For
look
real.
like.
We on the fucking prowl,
Watch.
nigga.
You see,
We
my
on the
nigga big.
prowl.
It's too many of
Them
them.
niggas
He's
is
gonna
ops.
he
They
gonna pick the
running.
bitch ass nigga out them.
Watch,
them
they run in groups. Watch why they run in groups. He ate that. He chilling. He like, oh, you playing right now. Yeah, he got him a little bit. He
They making us look like bitches and we lying.
Oh yeah, he got him a little bit.
Look at
Oh.
those, like.
Look at that double. He did a front flip. Like, yeah, come here.
He was like, shit, I was getting ready to fuck you, but fuck it, I'm
He gonna get back up though. Oh, my nigga, no.
No.
Alright, this about to be good.
Hey,
Oh. No, that wolf about to fuck that
Hold
nigga
on.
up.
A bison? Oh,
A bison.
I knew it.
Pause
I
that.
knew it. Yeah,
Them motherfuckers
you know what I'm
beautiful,
saying?
Who you
You
think?
know what I'm
about
saying? I knew my
Them
shit.
A bison? One of them big ass.
That's a big ass buffalo, basically.
Fuck no, the
Hey,
wolf.
the
The wolf
wolf's
is
gonna
gonna
eat
fuck
that
that
shit
nigga
winter
up.
buffalo.
both of them.
Buffalo.
Both of
I
them.
didn't even know
Watch.
they were still
Watch
Like
how
this,
the wolves with-
those is two
I'm
different
dead
like
ass-
types of wolves. They
I'm
both
dead ass
beautiful.
trying to
Where
think.
does animals be at?
The wilderness,
nature?
Fuck Egypt.
Nature?
Bro,
fucking
man,
where
that
I
shit
don't want to
crazy.
be.
No, look.
He said,
Real talk though. I'm trying to think, cause this is a tough matchup.
You
Like,
think?
a bison is huge.
It's huge, but at the same time, it's too
They
fast.
can't do nothing.
Wolves, yeah, exactly. They're just gonna
Yeah.
boom, attack it, get from the back type chain, just bite that nigga, and
Yeah.
all the rest of the bison just gonna run away.
I was gonna
Shit,
Google
eat 'em.
this. I don't know. I ain't
I'm
seen
getting
none
ready to
of
see,
it.
man.
This might be a long one though.
I low-key
'cause that
feel
bison
like-
gonna put up a fight.
Yeah, I
You
low-key
think?
feel like the
Yeah.
bison ain't no bitch.
Maybe against a little, but a wolf got a lot of
And it's
power.
gonna be two. Watch, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be two wolves. It's never one. They gonna pack.
Oh,
Yo.
never mind.
Hold on, them wolves is little as hell.
They do look like buffalo.
They're big ass buffalo, basically.
They are buffalo.
If the wolves
Yeah,
get them,
they're
them
like
niggas.
cousins.
Cut.
Nah, they finna get on them. Watch how they attack.
Yeah, they always hunting packs.
Yeah, they-
Wolves always
They
come
jump
hunting
the
packs.
slowest
They
one.
gonna get him. Aw, that's sad.
Ooh, they got babies too. Man.
Yo.
Oh, they gonna come through.
Oh shit!
Oh,
they just hit
what?
his old people.
Yeah, he hit his
Hold
old
on,
people.
hold on.
That's
Hold on.
fool as fuck.
He said they already got you, my G.
That's fool as fuck, yo.
Look,
Nah, he tried to help him. He did.
hell
He
no.
tried to help.
Nigga, look.
Move,
Oh
bitch.
yeah, no, he might have been helping him because they was all
He was trying
biting
to get
him.
him off his feet. Yeah.
They was all biting him.
That nigga was
He's
like,
Look, he like,
But he fucked him up.
yeah,
already.
now he's just on the ground and they're
Yeah.
gonna bite him. Like, yeah.
yo, this nigga fell
If he
so
would have been
hard.
bigger, I think he wouldn't have
You
fell.
try to help your son, and this what you do to your son.
I'd be mad
trip
as
that
shit.
nigga up.
You just
But
like,
I
I'm
don't
about to
think
get
the
away from
animal
these
got a
niggas.
conscience.
Yo, nigga, he should knock
Pause
you
that.
down.
Pause that. I don't think an animal has a conscience. Like to think like you know what I'm saying.
You
I
don't think an animal has a conscience?
yeah, to think like right or wrong, like right or wrong.
I
A
mean,
wild animal.
Yeah.
A wild
Right.
but
animal.
if they're all wild, then they all
Oh,
have
nigga,
the
If that
same
was the
mentality.
case,
They all
if that was
got.
the case,
They
if
know how
that
to
was the
communicate.
case,
It'd be different if it was a
bears
pet
wouldn't
like
act that way
Cardi or
around
something.
their cubs.
It'd be different if it was like Cardi or
All types of
something.
shit.
But like a wild animal, it'd be different if it was Cardi. Like a wild animal or
They
some
know how
shit.
to think.
A
They know how
wild,
to
but
think.
you act like there's not actual families out there. There's not.
Like they communicate,
There's
but
not
nigga, they don't know
tribes and
right from
shit.
wrong,
Probably is
nigga.
low key in that shit for just survival, like.
It is. It's
That's
every
what I'm
man for
saying. Like,
himself.
they probably be speaking to other
Like the
animals.
big
and,
bison was like, shit, I'm finna make some more, like,
yeah, man, move, get your ass. He may have did that just to get the wolves away from him. He's
Nah,
like, yeah,
he
eat
tried
that
to
nigga.
get him off.
Eat that nigga.
He
I'm
tried,
out this
but
bitch.
he was just like, yeah,
He was
man.
like, damn, I know
gotta
I'm the
leave
last
that
one.
nigga.
Shit, fuck it, we hit
Like, nigga, get out the way.
That he could
I'm out
have been
this
thinking
bitch.
like that too.
Oh.
That probably couldn't have even been his kinfolk.
Yeah, he was probably like,
Like,
random
yeah,
nigga.
that was just a random bison, my
Move,
nigga.
nigga.
Yeah, like,
You
get out
too
the way,
slow,
nigga.
nigga.
Move, bison, get out the way.
Man, they just.
That's savage. Like,
Oh shit!
Oh, that's horrific.
that nigga dirty.
Oh my god!
he trying to fight
Why
back.
nigga is so
keeping this? Alright,
Oh,
it's
shit.
a shark.
Eating them up.
It's a
That's
shark.
tough.
That water shit.
It's a shark.
Great white versus.
white.
It's a shark.
Yeah.
No. The shark finna.
This is shark.
ass.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You
Definitely.
see his eyes? It's all black, nigga. It's kill mode. Kill mode, nigga.
Sharks is fucking-
And them seals look eatable too.
Yeah.
Like
Vulnerable.
for real.
Look at the stomach on them, John. That's
Wait, is that the seal in his mouth?
Yeah.
That's
Hold on, I gotta see that
He already
again.
got it.
Yeah,
Damn.
That was quick. Yeah, I bet that's quick as hell.
He's just like, haha, I'm out
Think
this
this shit sweet.
Ah.
You see how high he jumped, whole body out the water, nigga. Vertical up there, nigga.
Nigga, just imagine swimming and then you get taken out the water. You just like, ah, my legs, and then you just get boom,
Like
just back
SpongeBob Bandit.
in the
Like
water.
SpongeBob Bandit. My legs.
I'm pretty sure that's happened.
Yeah, you get took back in the water. You just,
But like, pause, like it's already paused. Do you see this whole nigga's body out the water now?
that's what I'm
Like,
saying.
he
Like,
really flexing right now, dude. Like, he's flexing right now, dude.
That's
Nigga,
tough.
real talk. I know y'all niggas better be like, hell no. But this all facts. Nigga, I know if I'm in the fucking ocean and young too, see one of these motherfuckers.
Hell no, off rip, I know what you're about to say.
I'm hitting this nigga with the booka beaka baka. What you talking about, nigga? Nigga
Hell
ain't
no.
fucking
He
with me.
gonna swallow you on
Nigga,
one.
I'm gonna
What?
get that nigga so hard in his nose, I'm gonna make that nigga
You-
cry,
yeah,
nigga.
you-
slow him
he
down a
under
little
water,
bit.
I'm
you
gonna
might
make that nigga
punch
cry.
him.
You
and
might
then he gon-
daze that nigga
yeah,
a little
daze him,
bit.
and then you gonna have to swim away.
Not even that, not even
As soon as you
that,
swim,
not
you
even that, not even that, not
Eat
even
your
that.
little
He
ball.
gonna
The
braise you.
fuck?
He gonna braise you like with the blood, my
See, what
nigga.
you gotta
As soon
do-
as the blood get in the water, all Aries shark gonna be on attack
See,
mode, my nigga.
When a shark gets you though, this is what you do,
You
bro.
do got hit him
Like,
in the
boom,
eye.
If that shit bites you, boom. Take your hands and just stick it in his gills and just rip.
No, nigga, not the gills,
Yeah.
the eyes,
Yeah,
nigga.
that's how you
The eyes.
Nah,
It's the eyes and the gills. Is
it's
good
the
too.
bit, both of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But at the same time, once you
get
get away from that, it's gonna let you go. You're still in the ocean. You have to swim. It's gonna come back and eat you.
you gotta keep a knife on you.
Not that shark, but a different shark is gonna come back and eat you.
Yeah, so you can just.
What's that? What's that movie? 41 meters down.
Son.
Somebody ordered pizza?
The pizza
These
man.
motherfuckers
here.
better not come knock on this damn door. They better go on the fucking other door. They be on that bush. I gotta walk out there and be like, hey nigga,
Hold on,
wrong
the
door.
Zebra Shot. It's a pizza.
Yeah, Zebra Shot probably got the motherfucking pizza.
That's bullshit, man.
We back
You
in
wanna
there.
take his pizza? You wanna take that nigga
Hey,
pizza?
y'all niggas getting on that blunt. Bitch, I ain't paying for that.
I ain't got it either. So,
Hey, did you hit that? I feel like somebody skipped me on that blunt.
Nah, I just passed it.
he be holding it.
I was talking with him. My fault.
Oh shit, I'm sure I passed it.
Hold on, eagle versus sea snake.
Pause that, yeah. No, run it back a
Eagle
little
versus
bit.
a sea snake, nigga.
A eagle, like this is twice an eagle's been in this shit.
See, I told y'all.
Front door.
Hey, wrong door, shawty. Yeah,
Front door.
But yeah, what I was saying, like, the Eagles go crazy.
Fuck you, nigga. Eagles got some great sight.
Oh
Yo,
my
if,
god.
If the eagle
Pause
can
that,
get
pause
this,
that.
the eagle going crazy.
I'm sorry for all these pauses, y'all. But I really got some questions. I don't know if these niggas are animal fanatics or not. Who got better sight, eagle or owl? Because owl,
I swear we answered that. I
the
swear
owl
the
is
Eagles.
kind of intriguing me, dude. Honestly.
All right, I might feel like the owls got better eyesight, but as far as attacking ability,
Eagle.
the Eagles.
But these niggas seeing underwater, but the owl seeing through snow. Like, what is going on?
They're all animals and they're all water animals. Well, all right, now, they're not water animals.
Turd, yo,
That-
what the fuck?
No, it has nothing to do with turn. We just honestly, we're just scientists. Honestly,
No.
so you know, eagle versus sea snake. That's a big body motherfucker.
That is, dude. Like, that's unfair, dude.
Oh shit.
That nigga thinking shit sweet. Look
The
at
big
his
ass
feet.
leg.
Look at his feet.
Oh
my.
my.
Dude, that's a calf muscle right there.
All right. Now, eagle meat.
All right.
What about
that's
an eagle
OD.
leg?
This nigga on some wrong
That
turn
ass,
type shit, yo.
I feel like it's tough.
Tough?
Ooh.
It probably would be a too
It
tough.
might, it's, yeah.
That nigga out here like, it's probably just straight like.
You really gotta have a
muscles and
knife with that
like
shit.
angry.
Like it
angry.
might as well be a steak, my nigga.
See, so what's wrong with steak? So why can't you eat eagle leg? Like,
I
all right,
never said nothing was wrong with
I'm not
it.
really saying that I'm
But
trying
that's
to
a,
eat all
that's
these
a whole
animals.
calf muscle.
But
like honestly, that's probably bigger than my
it's
calf
possible
muscle.
to eat animals,
No, it's not bigger than my calf
You know
muscle.
what I'm saying?
Eagle leg, bro.
bro.
You ever seen an
I'm
eagle's
getting
leg?
tired of chicken. I'm getting tired of beef. I'm getting tired.
Hey
of
yo,
all
hey yo,
this
hey
shit.
yo, hey yo, hey yo,
We need
hey
some
yo.
new animals
Hey,
out
yo,
here
hey, yo,
for me
hey,
to
yo.
try.
Hey yo, hey
Alligator
yo,
meat.
hey yo. Pause
Not
that.
giraffe. But
Shout out all my birds. I done had turkey leg. This bitch ass nigga tried to say I had fox leg. Fuck this
and
nigga.
Carol's
right
eating a
here,
fox
yo.
leg, man.
I had turkey leg, yo.
but no, like
That shit look
turkey,
good,
turkey,
boy. That
ham,
shit raw as hell.
all.
Alright, look. It was.
It look raw.
You saw the blood.
Nasty.
The outside of it was
Nasty.
alright. I
Look
threw
at
the
my
raw part
Instagram
out.
if you want to see that
I
picture.
threw the raw. Yeah, the
Yeah.
raw part was
Tell me
flat.
your shit ain't have like seven bones in that motherfucker.
It was like two
I'll
turkey
swallow
places. I went to the first one that I was recommended to because nigga told me to go. It was like, I ain't gonna say racist into it, but you know what I'm saying? Someone told me to go to the turkey joint and I went to it and I paid $12. And as soon as I paid my
That nigga
$12,
paid $12
I turned
for a
around.
fox leg.
I was like, oh, damn, there's another turkey joint right here.
Damn.
It was like, damn, you should have got it right here, yo. This-
And then nigga was walking around the whole time happy as hell eating a fucking fox leg. I
Alright.
don't understand it. I mean,
That shit crazy because I went and got
Like,
my
ew.
girl a turkey leg, but not no fox leg.
Ew,
You went to the
ew.
wrong booth.
ew, y'all are disgusting.
They
You don't
savage
fuck
for
turkey
having
leg.
two
You're
different
saying
Nah.
you're talking about eating national birds.
I mean, yeah, but at the same time, if it's national, what do you not think that it would be nationally eatable? If it's
Edible.
edible?
Yeah,
No,
ew.
I'm saying like eatable, like for me to eat.
edible.
edible. This
It's
is
no
If I'm
such
speaking-
word as
if
edible.
I'm speaking about edibles, I'm not about to cook this nigga with marijuana. So
No,
we're not
that's
gonna
not
call him
edibles.
an edible, damn it.
That's not that.
I'm not about
that
to
doesn't
make
mean
a fucking
edible.
a fucking
That doesn't mean edible.
a fucking
All right.
eagle treat,
One,
a fucking
skinny.
with fucking
Skinny.
like an
Help
eagle
me.
marshmallow
Skinny.
treat.
Help
No,
me.
we're not doing that.
Help, please. This shit crazy.
Please help.
We're not doing that.
help.
But
Please
but
someone
no.
school this nigga
But
skinny.
no.
Please someone school this
If-
nigga skinny.
If all these general meats is what they is,
Edible.
why can we not? No, I'm talking about general, like chicken, beef.
You wanna be that
Turkey.
technical.
They're not
all
the
that.
national fucking
But I'm saying,
animal.
what I'm saying is, why can we not try new animals? Why can we not try new flavors?
Because it's in the motherfucking White House.
Because you can't even
What?
kill that bird. You can't even
The
kill that bird.
motherfucking Eagles on the fucking White House.
No, not the eagle. I'm talking about,
Other
like how
exotic
Leaf
shit.
said, alligator, fucking
There is
fucking
alligator.
zebra.
There is
fucking
zebra.
Whatever.
You
There
probably
is
can't
horse.
kill- You probably can't kill a zebra. You
There
probably
is
can't kill-
duck.
I'm not trying to kill them.
There
I'm
is
saying
frog.
It's illegal for
There's
them to.
pig.
Bro, I'm not trying to kill these niggas. I'm trying to just eat it.
There
like when I
is.
go to Red Robin's
get a
or
shake
TJ
to
on
you.
Fridays, why can't I
There's
eat?
a whole
Why can't?
website to buy meat on.
All right, yeah,
Alright,
no,
that's-
no,
now
no,
that's
you
some
can't
sick
go.
That's
fucker
suspect.
shit.
Nah, nah,
I'm
you
not
can't.
fucking with
Meat,
them.
cat meat,
I seen
all
that shit. I
But
seen
look,
that.
you can't go to like
That's
you can't go
suspect.
to a restaurant like Applebee's and get no like fucking alligator leg.
But that's what I'm saying.
Like you
But
can't
that's
do
what I'm
that,
saying.
bro.
You gotta go to where
in
they
about,
at, probably.
But look, listen to this. In about 5 to 10 years, we're gonna do a lot of experiments. People are gonna try.
Go
it,
to Florida.
And people are gonna realize.
I guarantee you
people
go
are
to a
going
restaurant that
people
has
are
that
going
shit.
To realize
Go
that
to
these
Florida.
other meats are a lot more delicious.
Go to
than
Florida.
people may think they are.
Go to Florida. I guarantee they probably
Y'all
have
may
some
think
shit like
y'all
that.
may think that I'm against animals, but I love animals. But if they
This
can be
nigga
cooked,
gonna end up eating
then
shark dick.
It tastes
then
good,
we can
too.
do it. You know what I'm saying?
Shark bait,
Fuck it.
waha.
You know what I'm saying? Shark bait. If we can, sharks would probably be disgusting. I wouldn't eat a shark.
No, I know motherfuckers. Is
what?
like,
I would eat.
Low key fish alright, shrimp alright too.
I eat
Lobster
octopus.
alright.
I eat
Ew.
octopus.
Ew.
Yeah, you gross on
Ew.
that
That's
one.
disgusting.
I'm not
I'd
fucking
be
with that
down.
one. Yeah, I'm not eating that one.
I'd
Yeah.
fucking throw it.
I probably eat
I couldn't
sushi
eat
before I
squid
eat
either.
octopus.
I couldn't
No,
eat
I'm not eating
anything
none of that.
else.
I'm not eating
probably,
oysters. I'm not
but
eating
if
no
I
fucking
had to,
I haven't
no.
had oysters yet.
If I
ain't had it, but I'm not
Yeah, I had
testing
if
it.
I had to, I eat sushi before I eat octopus.
I don't know about that sushi boy.
I'm not.
If I
I'm
had
not
to,
eating no raw shit.
before
I ain't had it.
octopus, squid, nigga.
I mean, octopus technically is
Squid,
sushi.
nigga?
It's like
Yeah,
in
fuck
that
squid.
category.
I don't know.
type shit.
Squid do sound kind
Like they
of good.
like
I don't know.
it's
Fuck
together.
no.
Slimy? I don't think squid would be
These
slimy.
niggas.
What? You don't think they be slimy?
These niggas tweaking,
My nigga,
cuz.
I seen some niggas eat some squid. They was
Still
just
alive.
just like
Oh,
slurping.
that's
Yeah,
fine.
man, that's.
Bro, these
That's
But-
how her
niggas
oysters
tweaking.
are. Like you just.
Yeah,
But
dude, when she
honestly-
had them oysters, them shits-
Honestly, if y'all are still watching this video,
Any kind of
I
tender
fucks with you
texture.
because this video is long as fuck. We said a lot of shit.
Nigga, we like
It's
30
a-
minutes
it's a-
in this video.
Honestly, it's probably like 40. I ain't gonna
30,
flex.
40 minutes
Like,
in this
my nigga,
video, yo.
like-
Textures freak me out.
If we can really, if y'all can let me know about some good
Y'all
meat
fuck with us.
that y'all may not eat, that we can
Man,
take
I want
to
all
treat
my country
and beat.
motherfuckers
You
to
know what I'm
let me know
saying?
what y'all be
That-
cooking up, man.
Frog legs.
I mean, I don't want that. I don't want that with that. I want.
I do.
I
Fuck
was
my
about,
little nigga.
I was about to say something racist, but I'm not. So if y'all could just let me know
Let
some
me
crazy
know,
shit
dog.
that y'all might eat that is something good.
Anything that's not wrong turn related.
What?
Wrong turn. Yeah, basically.
All right, now, Kels. Well, why are we eating people?
I ain't
'Cause
even
some
gonna
weird
cap.
people
I ain't
would.
even gonna cap.
Are you trying to
on
eat
that
people too,
subject,
leader?
If we was dead ass, like,
You're fucking. What are you about to say?
nigga,
Well, nigga.
nigga, you already know, nigga. If shit hit the fan, my
Yeah,
nigga.
for real, nigga. Hey,
What?
if shit
No,
really
wait.
hit the
What?
fan,
Let's
nigga,
say
If shit hit
Say
the
it.
fucking
Say it.
fan,
What?
if shit hit the fucking fan, I'm gonna eat your fucking hand.
for-
Straight up, nigga.
Dap
Straight
it up.
Like that, nigga. Straight like
You
that.
get it, my nigga.
Yo, all right,
You
all right.
get it.
Now, I ain't gonna flex. That's one thing I would never do in my life.
You ain't never seen
I'm
that
not- I'm not
episode of
eating no
Family Guy,
fucking human.
cuz?
I'd eat
That
animals.
episode of Family Guy where them niggas
I've
was
seen
like,
a lot of fucking. You gonna do all the shit on Family Guy?
no, nigga.
All right then. What
But
the
look,
fuck?
hey, if there was no
What the fuck?
food on this
Family
earth,
got some
nigga,
sick motherfuckers.
Hey, if there was no food on this earth, nigga,
Yeah, like.
and like, nigga, I'm hungry, I need some meat, nigga.
Yeah, if shit hit the fan,
Like-
that's what I'm
We don't
saying.
need meat.
And that's what I was about to say. You don't have to eat
Shit.
human. You can eat
Shit.
vegetables, whatever, crops, fruits,
Shit.
juices, whatever.
Alright, and I can eat a
Shit.
nigga's stomach and they just got done drinking juice and all that.
Oh my gosh, that's disgusting.
I don't know about
You're drinking
stomach.
stomach acid.
I grill it, put some salt.
Yo,
maybe
yo,
barbecue
2 liter
with
is
it.
fucking disgusting.
Maybe
You
some
just said it.
barbecue with it. I don't know.
All right. You know what? All right, this video's really long. Let's just finish this shit up, man.
I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
I'm not.
I'm just playing.
All right, we didn't even see who the fuck wins this fight. Damn it, we
get
didn't
it,
get
yo.
into it. Oh, yep, we know who. Oh, damn, that's a big
bitch.
motherfucker.
What's that?
Eagles are not immune to
He's
snake
an
bite, but the scales on its legs protect the eagle from the snake's fangs.
Yeah.
Wow.
'Cause them shits are tough.
So they're
rough.
basically invulnerable.
They're both invulnerable, but
So they
it's
basically
just gonna eat the
they
fuck out.
basically just
How the fuck is snake invulnerable to
the eagle just wasting his time.
No, it's gonna put them down. It's gonna bite. It's gonna eat the fuck out of them. But just the claws, it ain't hurting them until it takes them to its nest.
Oh, you said the snake has that?
I
Like,
mean,
yeah, it ain't hurting.
honestly-
that
honestly-
And the snake's bite ain't hurting the eagle.
if I was a snake, if I
I
was a snake, like if I was in a snake position, then I would like try to like slither my way up out that nest. Like,
All right, first
else
of
can
all,
you do?
Kev,
just gonna fall.
it's a
bro.
fucking
You ain't gonna
eagle.
get you
I
again.
doubt that nigga's gonna let you slither. He's gonna eat you. Like, as soon as he takes you there, he's not gonna let you sit there and be like, yeah, let me go fucking roll this blunt right quick. Let me go do this. He's gonna take you there. He's gonna eat you right away. Like, I've been waiting all day for this. These eagles is some crazy
know, dude.
motherfuckers.
I
And
feel
the
like a
baby's
snake
just gonna
could
be
get away.
munching on your ass.
I feel
Exactly.
like a snake could get away.
Let's see what's going to happen. He probably
It's
will.
not gonna get that far.
Hey, real talk, I feel like I got booger in my nose.
I got one, bro.
All right, guys.
Flex, bro.
Hold on. We got cheetah.
I got a couple of them.
No, all right. Sorry, guys. It wasn't a cheetah.
Crocodile.
It's a fucking jaguar
I didn't
versus
know
a
they were
crocodile.
printed like that.
Alright, the Jaguar.
Honestly,
win.
What you mean?
I feel like
Jaguar gonna
I feel like a jag.
yeah.
I feel like a jaguar is like a cousin to a cheetah.
If
To a panther.
yeah,
Or pan.
They
maybe a
is-
pan- No, not
they
panther.
all in the cat family.
I
Type
mean,
shit.
yeah, but I mean,
They kitties.
All right, who y'all got on this?
but like the pattern of like
Real talk,
the
I'm gonna
spots.
say the motherfucking
Jaguar.
crocodile.
Me too.
Jaguar.
Because the
I-
jaguar
what I-
ain't eating
what
no
I'ma say-
crocodile
Hey.
like
If the
that.
fight is in the water,
You can pull it in the water,
crocodile.
just like you
No.
said.
If it's out of the
Jaguars
water,
can swim, my nigga.
You want to know what I'm going with?
That's
the
what
what's
crocodile.
good.
but you
That don't
think
mean
they
shit.
can eat
It ain't
in the
no
water?
crocodile.
Watch
They
it.
mountains.
You want to know why I'm going to crocodile? Because this zoom is like the first scene is on crocodile.
No, it was the first scene on the jaguar. I thought it was
I
a
didn't even
cheetah.
see the Jaguar.
I thought it was a
Some
cheetah.
things gonna try to sneak up on me.
All right, let's see this.
That's kind of a big crocodile. But that's a big deal. Watch it. These niggas good sleep.
I doubt the cheetah gonna die, honestly.
It's not.
It's
I
a
don't know,
jaguar,
though.
not a cheetah, nigga.
Watch it.
Damn.
Look, look.
Damn, I gotta
Why
see
did
that.
he
They
jump
know
in?
how-
I
he dived
I
in
gotta
the
see
water.
that
Did
leap
you see
again.
that?
I gotta see
Cats
that.
do know how to swim though.
I gotta see
They
that.
just don't like water.
Nigga, that's
Wildcats love water though.
Wildcats.
That nigga said,
And dive.
I put my money on the jaguar. I already told y'all.
yeah.
What I tell y'all?
You know what? Ain't nowhere in here.
What I tell y'all though?
In the water, it's a fight in the water.
It is a fight in the water. What'd you say?
Damn,
Tweeter?
oh shit.
A fight in the water.
Yo,
He finna drag.
yo, he picking that nigga up.
Nah, that's strong as fuck, bro.
Yo,
Oh God. By the neck though. By the neck.
You would think in the water a crocodile had it because they spin and shit, right? Or is that an
Yo.
alligator?
That
yeah, he
nigga dead,
dead.
nigga.
He killed them in the water.
Is it-
Now he
Hold on,
got
pause
Wow.
that.
They strong.
Pause that real quick. Is a crocodile
Wow.
bigger than alligator? Alligator? Or is
I
it
think-
I don't know
alligator?
what's. I think the difference is one can go out of water. Or
Look at
something.
that.
Yeah.
No,
I
they
think
both can go out of water, right?
I think they both can be big.
Something I don't know.
Nah, they both can be big and they both can go out of water.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't know. I think they just got a look different.
the fact that like
Reptile.
alligator will not grow.
Height. The
Height.
alligator will grow. Like it's not finna be like this high. Like
So a
alligator's
crocodile be high
Not,
off
like you
the
get what I'm
ground?
talking about? Like
How close do they be to the ground type shit when they out
Yeah,
of
like,
water?
like they gonna be like they could be big and like this. You feel me? And long and shit, but they ain't gonna be like as tall as. Let me get that. They ain't gonna be as tall as you feel me. They ain't gonna be tall as a jaguar nigga standing up and shit.
Bro, look at
Damn.
the skin. Man. Like, this
That's
don't
what
look
I'm
like a
saying,
snake
like-
skin. Like, that's what-
that
Like,
nigga
run that
really,
back a little bit.
That's an anaconda
Run that back a little bit.
type
Like, do you
of
see
skin.
the fight though? Like that nigga wouldn't do his
It
shit.
wasn't
in
no
water.
fight. That
It
nigga
wasn't
fucked
no
that nigga
fight,
up.
nigga. Like yeah.
And he dived on him.
And he looked like he about to fuck some shit up right there.
Nah, I feel like he caught him off guard.
Like, fuck, nigga.
I feel like he's.
He just bit that
But you
nigga.
know how quiet that nigga would have had to been to do that shit.
Them niggas is quiet. It's a cat. Cats are quiet type shit.
This shit, man, we want to do my research on these
They got tough
animals.
skin, so he had to really penetrate.
Look at that nigga.
He just put him to sleep now. Just like,
And just leaving with that nigga.
oh, no, I'm still trying to find him.
It is.
No, it ain't no
Nah,
fight.
nah,
His
ain't no-
bite,
yeah, he just
he
heavy.
got too much grill.
And he's walking up the cliff with that
For
nigga.
real.
Manhandling that
A
nigga.
big ass fucking crocodile.
He finna eat good.
Too good, nigga.
But like, yeah, exactly. So crocodile meat. If these animals can eat other animals, they must taste good.
Nah,
So why
you can eat crocodile meat.
crocodile?
Yeah.
Alligator too?
I bet crocodile be tasty.
You can eat anything.
They serve
cuz.
that. This just depends on where you at,
You
man.
can
You
eat
can get that
anything.
shit.
So why
Gosh.
people get mad? All right, never mind. I ain't
It
gonna.
ain't
I ain't
nah,
gonna
you
bring
can-
about the Chinese food and shit. I ain't even gonna bring.
You can
none
eat
of that.
cats and dogs in certain places.
No, nigga, real talk, nigga. They sell that shit by the pound, my nigga.
My nigga, I know, but I'm saying like people get mad about it, but at the same time,
It's not
they
good.
just gotta.
Mad
They
about
got
it.
y'all gotta understand. Like out in their country, how we got like domesticated dogs, they got like literally wild dogs.
You
just
mean
like,
dogs? You said dogs twice.
Man, my
I said
nigga, but at the same
domesticated
time,
dogs
like
we
I
got,
said,
but they got like wild dogs.
I
Type shit.
feel that and all, but like I ain't eating it.
We don't need meat.
Are you not eating
Plus,
it?
they Asian, so they got rice.
Are you not eating it? Do you think you're not eating it?
That was fun.
Do you eat Chinese food?
Nah, not like that. Like I personally don't even like that shit.
Really?
And yeah, like all that, like General Tso chicken. And all
That shit alright, but at the same time, once I start thinking about it when I'm eating, I'm like, oh hell no. You
Nigga,
got
that
to
ass-
These
fuck
niggas
fuck
tweaking,
that.
dude.
My shit,
General
if
Tso
my
chicken
shit ain't coming
slap.
from like, what's the
Hibachi?
Yeah, or where's the place? we
Is
go?
hibachi really like that though?
Seven Japan or like one of
Hey.
that? What's that big
Does
place?
hibachi really
I
like
don't,
that?
I don't really fuck with
Is
honestly, I
hibachi
don't really
really
fuck with
like that
Chinese,
too?
Japanese food
Too
type shit,
either.
honestly.
Man, she got me a little plate from there, and that shit was slapping.
I might have
Zay
to try
Rashad,
hibachi.
he did put me on to something. It was, what's that? The boom pie or what's that sauce? The white sauce? The yum. Yeah, yeah. He fuck with it, you know what I'm saying. I tried some. It was alright.
Yeah, hibachi smack, bro.
Yeah.
And what's that shit we went to on my birthday, dude?
Yeah, I was like kabuki.
Nigga, the kabuki down.
Kabuki
Where they cook
slap.
it like right in front of you type shit.
Kabuki slap.
I ain't never been there for
They
real.
got some
Man, let's
soul.
go.
They got some.
I'm
soul.
with it.
to
I'll
go
go.
tomorrow.
I was about to say, is they open right
They got all
now?
these good sauces.
I'm
Is y'all trying to go tomorrow?
I'm low key
Go
with it.
tomorrow.
We can go tomorrow for real.
Is y'all trying to go tomorrow?
It's gonna be
Is you with it though?
But they cook
Let's
that
get
shit
it.
right in
Get
front
that
of
shit
you.
out of $30-$40 a plate.
Hey,
It's
they
with it.
cook it right in
Nigga, do you
front
know
of
how
you.
much
It's hot.
food you get on
I
that
don't
plate?
care.
No,
30.
they don't even
I could buy
My
6
nigga, we
cookout
walked
trays for
in, nigga, we walked into
$30.
the buffet.
What is
We
the
walked
problem?
into the buffet at Benjamin's. This
Yeah.
nigga was like,
Hey.
it was like, oh yeah, it's like $30 something dollars.
No, that bitch was like 40.
It was like,
It's gonna be
Shit,
around
I ain't-
40.
I'm about to dip.
These
my
niggas
For
tweaking.
a
I'm pretty
buffet?
sure it's like
Bitch,
12.
what?
Hey, bro.
I went and I went.
It's
I think I went to
$20 a
motherfucking.
plate.
I think I went to In and Out
No,
or somewhere
no,
after
no,
that and got
no,
a
you
$7
tweaking.
to $9 order. I was good. The fuck I need to
It's
spend
like
$40 for some
$20 a
food.
plate. It's like $20 a plate, dude.
No, at the place we went to it was 40.
Kabuki. I'm talking about kabuki. It's like $20-$25 a plate, dude. Y'all tweaking.
Kabuki is
Yeah.
$30 a plate.
Uh,
$20-$25.
He's right.
It's like
All
$25.
right, guys, we
$20,
should stop talking about
$25.
this because honestly, this is an animal fight video. And we're sitting here talking about eating all these animals.
Brother,
So-
shut the fuck up, dude. Just
so-
get back to the fucking video
so-
and end
so-
it.
I'm
so
not
you know,
talking about eating animals.
so you
I'm
know,
talking about eating kabuki.
No, I'm trying to eat all these motherfuckers. So yeah, man. Shout out to all these animals. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing y'all's
Shout out
things
to
out
all
here.
these animals.
Yeah, keep doing y'all's things. Make sure y'all stay safe. If y'all see some shit run up on you, make sure you have your defense.
Like
make
they
sure
about to
you
watch
ready.
this shit.
Dude.
Nigga,
Do
when
you
in
not think
doubt,
animals watch my fucking
when in
videos?
doubt,
The fuck?
running
I be
out.
watching animal videos all the time, though. Discovery Channel?
Yeah, but I'm saying they watch my video. One time I seen this crocodile. He did have my YouTube pulled up. I don't know if he was watching, but he did have my. I seen LV Skinny in his phone. But
I ain't even gonna cap.
But
I
yeah,
be
man.
watching my reactions and shit.
Hey, that's what I'm saying. Animals are tapped in with us. We're not only for people. We're for
everybody.
animals too. Yeah. So we don't discriminate. Yeah, bro. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that, bro.
that, dude.
Man, till next time, YouTube.
We're fucking out this bitch.
Right now, these fiend ain't hit my phone. I tell him, can I be that right? And he don't even need the shit, cause he just almost lost his sight. But I'm on a bag and I need it. Straight cash, I'm fucking no leasing. I'm in Cali, I'm smoking on Keisha. We spice on his head like he Lisa. Pull up on they nigga, they leave him. Take over the land like a treason. Going all of this dough for a reason. It hurt me to see all my people. Some of them really down, really fucked up, really going through it. I dedicated my whole life just to make it off fucking music. Pay attention to your nigga when he speaking, cause he probably going through it. That nigga really might lose it. Stay in tune with your does, nigga.
I'm stacking chips, I'm not talking about lace. This ice around my neck is real, that's probably why she in the days. All in my